One of our YouTube channels just hit the right number to get monetized, so I wanted to show you a step-by-step walkthrough on exactly how to monetize a YouTube channel and all the requirements that YouTube has behind monetizing a YouTube channel. You could also set up a notification if you haven't hit these numbers yet, and YouTube will send you an email that looks like this once you're eligible for monetization. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube dashboard and you want to go to monetization. You have to do this at youtube.com on desktop. And these are the latest requirements for monetizing a YouTube channel. First, you need at least 1,000 subscribers. That's the number that I've passed just now on this channel. You also need 4,000 hours of public watch time. So public watch time, it means the video can't be private or unlisted, and it can't be a YouTube Shorts view. And this has to happen in the last 12 months. And you could see I hit both of these numbers around the same time. You also have to have two-step verification set up. This is a security function that you could do through the settings over here in the corner. And you also have 0 active community guideline strikes. So this has to be 0. These do get removed every 90 days if you do have one. And then you could go ahead and press apply. Now there's 3 steps to the verification process here. First, you have to review the partner's program. So if you press start here, you do have to read this, and you have to be at least 18 years old or have a parent or legal guardian to accept these policies for you. The way monetization works is YouTube gives you 55% of the revenue they receive. So they're going to start running ads on your videos. Whatever that advertiser pays them, they keep 45%, and then they give you 55%. So they're actually giving you more of the advertising dollars than they're getting for providing the platform. So make sure you accept the partners program here and read through it, accept. Now the second option is you have to sign up for Google AdSense. This is basically how Google ends up paying you. It's a different account that is tied to your YouTube and Google account. So press start here. And you could create a new one. So if you don't have one, say create a new one here and continue. But you could only have one for your account. So I have already set mine up since this is our 5th monetized channel. So I can't walk you through this process, but you do have to, again, connect this, create this account, and link a bank account. That's how you would get paid from YouTube. Now, once you set all this up, you'll look at a page that looks like this. I'm gonna accept the association with my AdSense account. Then you actually have to wait for review. So they actually will review your application and your channel, make sure it lines up with their guidelines, and then they're gonna give you a decision. Now the approval process, they say, may take up to a month, but having done this 4 other times, it's only taken a few days in my experience. So hopefully that's the case for you as well. And I have a full 1-hour masterclass to show you how to take your YouTube channel to the next level. So lots more monetization options you have, and that's the exact same method that I've used to reach 500,000 subscribers on one of my channels. So I'll link that below, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.